How to render array of data into multiple mustache partials? I'm using Python's pystache, which is the standard mustache API. Here is an example of my data structure. Now in my template I try to do this, where stuff is a partial, and that partial looks like this. Now what provides the data to the template is a class that acts as a view model, so I can normalize some of the data and have the template interact with the normalized data rather than the raw JSON data shown above. The problem is I don't know how to implement my view model to work with the fact we're looping through nested data. Using the above as an example, my raw data uses an array of strings to represent the flag's value, whereas I want the template to show true or false depending if the value X appears in the flag array. In code I might try to implement this like so. Just imagine the negligible was where I loop over the array looking for the X string and I return true or false based on that. Now the issue here is that for me to write the negligible code, I need to know which index of the results to be looping over. Am I just missing something really obvious?
So I've managed to resolve this issue myself with a change in code design and nesting presenter classes, but I would be interested to see how others are doing this, as I tried multiple other ways trying pystache language features with no working solution. Where self.post is set on the presenter and provides the raw data we're looking to consume. The teaser then works effectively the same as this top-level feed presenter, the difference is it's given a different context object, i.e. self.post value, to use as its data source. Self.post is now one of the elements from inside self.post.results from the top-level feed presenter. Our code starts at the top-level presenter, feed, and starts recursively rendering each nested presenter it finds.
In pure JavaScript-based mustache template I would do this.